Welcome to another video. Today we will learn how to create typewriter text animation in Premiere Pro. In the beginning, click Type tool from the toolbar and then click here. Next, go to the Effect Controls, click on the text, click on the source text, click on the text again. Now write a character. Then write another character after 0.5 seconds. Write the next character again after 0.5 seconds. Keep writing all the characters in this way. Done. Watch the video by clicking on the play button. Thank you for watching the video.